All right, hello my Starkey friends. Today we're going to be drawing a city, and I'm going to show you all different types of lines to use for this city. The first line I want you to do on your paper is to go from the edge of your paper to the very edge of your paper. I would measure about 3 fingers up from the bottom. Mark a dot there. Go 3 fingers up over here. Mark a dot. Now, from edge to edge of my paper, I'm just going to try and do as straight a line as I possibly can, horizontally across my paper. So there's your horizontal, laying down horizontal line. Now we're going to use different vertical lines to create buildings. You can start anywhere on your paper for this. We're going to draw a vertical line going straight up, maybe to about the middle of our paper. You want to make it kind of tall, not all the way up to the top, but close. Do another line next to it. These are lines that are side by side. Now, I can do a curved line for the top. We've got a nice curved line, and now here's one of our buildings. Right now, go ahead and put rectangle windows on your building. When you add extra stuff to your drawing, it's called adding detail. And detail is always good because then it's just more information on the paper. It always looks better when there's more detail. I could do a curved window up here if I did a horizontal line again. And then I just followed this curve, lines that are side by side. And there's another really good detail. I can put a door, vertical line, and then connect them with a horizontal line. Maybe I want to put a little doorknob on it. All right, now our buildings are next to each other. They share this line. So my next building, I can make it taller. So I can come up from that line and make it taller. I'll put another line, parallel lines, side by side lines. Now on this one, I can do a diagonal line and a diagonal line to where it's got like a roof. And then on this one, I think I just want to put stripes down it. So I'm going to go horizontal line, horizontal line, horizontal line, all the way down my building. Take your time. I think that's all I want for that building. I'm going to keep it simple. For my next building, remember we're sharing this line for our next building, so we don't have to draw another line. I think I want it to be a short, wider building, so I'm going to put a line here, vertical line here. Then I'm going to do another horizontal line. I'm going to step in and do one short vertical line on each side and do another horizontal line just to give it, maybe it's got a sign up here. Maybe it can say pet shop. Now I'm going to make nice big windows here. Maybe I want to put lines in my windows, adding more detail. Make all your buildings different. Maybe I want to put a door here, vertical line, and I think I want to make it a curved top door. Give it a little doorknob, and I think I want to do one more big window right here. If I do a rectangle inside a rectangle, that gives it more detail. I'm going to do another vertical line over here. We're going to put a building here. They share, the buildings share lines, so I'm going to share this line with my next building. I'm going to do another tall building, tall skinny building. So I'm going to draw a vertical line here. And I'm going to go ahead and draw up from this line. And I think I'm just going to do a regular typical horizontal line across there. And then maybe we'll do just a little bit of a curved line on top. Now for this one, I think I'm going to do another vertical line down the middle of it. And then I think I want to do some diagonal lines down. Maybe make a diamond shape or a rhombus inside this building using my diagonal lines. Taking my time. And maybe another door. Now I want to go all the way to my edges of my paper and make buildings. So it's buildings all the way across. A neat cityscape is what that's called. When it's a picture of buildings, it's called a cityscape. For my next building, I think I'm going to make it shorter. I think I'm going to do another part where it looks like it has a sign. So I'm just going to draw another vertical line, another horizontal line on top of that. And then I think I'm going to do it one more time so it's almost like a step up. Vertical line, horizontal. And I think I want to do big windows on this one too. I'm going to go with a square shape this time. I'm going to put a plus sign in each of my windows. Adding detail, taking my time. Maybe I want to do a big window here that's curved. So I still have room over here for a building. I think I'm gonna do a wide building. I'm gonna do my vertical line, my diagonal lines for the roof. And let's do more diagonal lines like this one again. Only we're not going to do a rhombus shape. We're just going to do diagonal lines all the way across the building and do big X shapes. And then I'm going to do a big wide door on this one, like it's a garage. And then I do have one more tiny little skinny space that I could put in another building, and I'm going to just do a tall, remember they share a line, and just have it come off the paper. And I think I want to do stripes again. All right, so you got your buildings. We could put clouds in the sky. We can put a sidewalk and a road in. We could put a car in. So let's go ahead and do the sidewalk. You're going to do line by line, a horizontal line again here, side by side all the way across. So maybe I measure my finger or 2 fingers, and I can do a dot here, measure a finger here, put a dot, and then try to draw a line from this dot over to the other dot, all the way to the edge of your paper and off the edge of your paper. Now we can just do vertical lines for the sidewalk. Like the cracks in the sidewalk. Going all the way across, sidewalk stretches all the way across our buildings. Maybe I want to do dash lines, broken dashed lines. Broken dashed lines. Maybe I want to put a little car. I want him to show, so I'm going to make him small. I'm going to do a tire and a tire. All right, and I can use curved lines to draw a little, maybe a curve over my tire here, a curve over for the whole car, and then just curving it around those. And there's a little car. Don't forget also clouds in the sky. They can go out behind our buildings. And that's just a curved line, curved line, curved, 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 and then maybe one small one up here, curved lines. And now we have a really neat cityscape using dashed lines, curved lines, vertical lines, horizontal lines, diagonal lines. Wait to color it in. We will be coloring it in next week. I'm going to show you all the best ways to color it in and show great detail. Bye.